Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking like we did come back down towards that previous key area of swing high and swing low support and resistance. You can see here this was a previous support in this area here. We've come back down to it in this area, and you can see we've basically got a little bit of a bounce on this line along with that back test of that previous swing high here. But you can see today we are getting another red candle to come back down and test this low. You can see here, if I look at the hourly chart, basically what's been going on with Polygon. Makes a new higher high, back test, a new higher high, back test, a new higher high, back test on this current move that we are seeing for Polygon. And you can see it's no exception here. On the hourly time frame, you can see it very, very clearly in granular detail. But really, Polygon right now just coming back down to retest this previous swing high, probably as support before continuation. As you can see, I did have a small long position entered here for Polygon at that previous key area of support resistance that I talked about. I will be scaling into a long position as we do continue to retrace. I do think we'll probably come back down towards that 618 most likely, back in this area here, and then get the bounce, in my opinion, because we are just trading the Fibonacci levels, aren't we? Overall for Polygon for a long time, you can see it here very clearly: support and resistance there, support here, breakout here, and then obviously a back test and continuation up to that 078. In my opinion, is probably going to be fairly likely. So not that much to say for Polygon at the minute, other than that it's doing very, very well. Essentially, you could say, even without the Fibonacci, you could say you've got your higher high, higher low, and then this is another higher high. So really we are showing quite a decent amount of bullish market structure really over the past 6 months or so. Polygon looking very, very nice since the new year as well. You can see obviously a run, consolidation, run, and then a little bit of consolidation here again before potentially another run to the upside. No real bearish divergences on the RSI either. So overall, my thesis hasn't changed about what's next for Polygon, in my opinion. Probably just going to get that breakout, which we've got, the back test, and then that continuation to the next Fibonacci over the next few weeks. I think is fairly likely considering the current bullish nature of the market over the past few months. So that is really it for today, guys. Keeping it short and sweet today. No major updates here apart from I have this long position now entered here. No stop loss currently, just holding the bag. I will enter here as well if we do retrace to this level, and I'll have a position here and a position down here. If we do see deeper retracements, we'll have to wait and see what happens. But I do think we're currently, with the bullish market structure that we are holding, we're probably going to see a bounce here and a continuation, in my opinion. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member. It really, really helps us out, and you get access to the private Discord. You can come hang out with me and some other investors as well. So please do consider that if you want to support the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.